Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at our all-new Maria listing. First of all, I want to take a look at this awesome home site. So, see how much room there is between that house and that house is very, very rare. This is an executive home over in the manor home section. And what that means is you have a huge yard plus the bend in the road creates huge distance between this home and the neighbors. So if you're somebody that wants a lot of privacy, then this is definitely the one. That's that side, and then over here, look at how huge that distance is. So nice. So of course it's got impact glass doors and windows. It's got the roof tile, the tile roof, brick paver driveway, and really nice landscaping. So let's go in and take a look. All right, so here we are. So one of the great features of this floor plan is you have a huge soaring ceiling here up in the entry. You'll see there's all sorts of tray ceilings throughout the home, which are really nice. We'll take a look at that. But here is our first guest bedroom. So nice and big. It's great because you've got 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors, so everything feels really nice and bright, really tall. Here is your first guest bathroom with a nice size linen closet. You've got the white shaker cabinets and the granite countertops. And another great feature of this floor plan is this closes off. So you can create a guest suite for your guests here, and then they can connect to this room also. So these are pocket doors as well. So this whole section can close out for your guest. So I really love this floor plan because you have, here's guest suite number 1, and over here is guest suite number 2. So you have another nice big bedroom in here. And then this one has a separate ensuite. So you could comfortably have 3 different families or groups of people here, and it'll be comfortable for you and your guests. And then here in the laundry, you've got laundry cabinets, the washer and dryer are included. You've got your laundry sink, and then that leads to the 2-car garage. It has an epoxy coated floor. And then in here is this nice big great room that everybody loves. So this floor plan is so popular because it's perfect for entertaining. You can see you've got all this huge kitchen, nice big great room area, the tray ceilings. This home has custom paint throughout. It also has crown molding, which is no longer offered. It has the nice colored plank tile, which is also no longer offered. And then you have this huge walk-in pantry, which is always very popular. You've got the built-in stove and microwave, the 42-inch cabinets, and under cabinet lighting. So as I said before, all the windows and doors are impact glass, so you're not going to have to worry about hurricane shutters if a hurricane comes through. And then here's a really nice size owner suite. So I'll come over here to give you more of a perspective. And keep in mind, in these videos, all the rooms are actually bigger than they look in the video, so that's really nice. You've got the tray ceiling with the crown molding in here as well. And then his and hers closets. Really, really nice size. Walk in there. And then you've got his there. The master bathroom is also really nice. You've got room for a makeup vanity. You could put a stool there. Nice big walk-in shower. And a nice linen closet there. And of course the separate water closet. You've also got direct access out to the garage from the master, which is a very popular feature. So just to reiterate the privacy, it's awesome. So there's your owner suite, guest suite 1, and guest suite 2 that also connects with that 4th bedroom / office. And then here is the best part. So The sliders pocket back into a single pane, so you can really open this up into a nice outdoor extension of the inside. And what's really great is, see how this bumps out? So you have a huge lanai space right here before you get to the pool. So really big pool deck. You've got room for your lounge chairs. And then this is one of the best views in the community. There aren't a lot of views like this that have the lake and the golf course. It's absolutely stunning. And last but not least, you've got your summer kitchen, which is very popular also, a feature that's So if you have any questions about this or any of the other homes here at Heritage Landing, please be sure to give me a call, and don't forget to always ask for ALISA.